today is my special day because today is my birthday. And because today is my birthday, I want to share you something here in Enchanted Kingdom. Mentor told me na yung mga successful na tao daw, isa sa reason kung bakit sila successful is because yung mga tao around them, they are surrounded by positive people. They are surrounded by the people na merong pangarap. They are surrounded by the people na may gustong marating sa life. So meaning, kung gusto mo palang maging successful sa life, makinig ka daw sa naging para ikaw ay maging. Kanina, habang nasa biyahe kami, papunta dito sa EK, meron ako nabasa. May nag-post kasi, yung nag-post is, maganda yung pinost niya, achievement niya sa life. Tapos sabi nung nag-comment, sana all! Alam mo, I hate sana all. Kasi pag sinasabi mo yung sana all, nililimitahan mo yung sarili mo. Parang sinasabi mo na hindi ko kaya yun eh. So stop saying sana all. Instead, choose to say, ako din, kaya ko din yan. Ako na next. So stop saying sana all because nililimitahan mo yung capabilities mo, nililimitahan mo yung potential mo, at nililimitahan mo yung kaya mong gawin sa life mo. Remember this. This is my birthday tips to you. You can do more. You can be more. You can grow more. You can achieve anything in life. Nakadepende lang yan sa kung ano yung gagawin mo, sino yung susundan mo. Again, kung gusto mong maging, makinig ka sa naging. Isa yan the reason why a lot of people is successful. It's because they copy and they follow successful people.